Guys, welcome to another video. We're crunching away on this thing. We're knocking things out. As you can see, that what's it called? Montage, right?
Yeah, B-roll, all the B-roll.
As you can see in all that B-roll montage that before this, we got the new engine. Well, not the new engine. We got the engine out of the old car, and it's in the new car. And I made a custom intercooler, and I'm just chopping away at it. I'm going really fast, so we can't give you guys every detail of everything we make. It is the weekend, so we are going to be crushing away some more on this to see how far we can get. We probably see if we can do some body stuff. Maybe we can start running some lines and stuff through the car. I got to keep jumping around because I'm waiting on parts, but I don't want to waste time. So we're going to do as much as we can where we can. So yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, I know this video been a lot of B-roll, not explaining, but we are in crunch time as we explain in all the other videos. So you can see all the boys been pulling up to help me. Sean, Donnie, Haitian, just everybody. Hayden, everybody been pulling up to help. We even have Coffee doing work. He's supposed to be holding the camera. We did fit the front end on the car. Car's actually looking really good. I feel like we kind of like, we gonna make it happen for sure, even a little bit early so we can test. Come on, let's check out what we got done so far. All right, so kind of to explain some of the things that's been going on. As you guys see, I still have the stock upper radiator core support. We was gonna do some fancy fab work and see if we could, save weight and stuff. But this is actually like plastic with a little bit of metal in it. So this makes it real easy to have everything lined up nice and looking factory. And we chopped off the whole bottom, so it's like 2 10 mils and we could have the whole front off. So it didn't make sense. I spent all that time fabbing up something and I'd have to make doubles when I could buy one of these for really cheap. The engine is in just temporarily. We have like the biggest threaded stone intercooler we could possibly get. You guys saw I probably was fabbing that up, doing a lot of welding and stuff. I messed up, had to redo it, but this is my first intercooler I made from scratch myself. So I think it came out really good. Can't wait for you guys to see it if you guys come to the event. And as we move on to the interior, you can see we painted some stuff. We didn't paint all of it, but the hard areas we're trying to get to it before so we don't forget and have to be like fighting up to paint it. So some of it's painted, some of it's not. We just got the seat bracket knocked out today. I finally glued on the roof. I know we didn't have enough footage of that, but we've been pretty busy. So the roof's finally glued on, the carbon roof's glued on for now. We're gonna let that dry till tomorrow. Hopefully we should be doing painting soon. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish putting the body back on, making it look like a car, just for more motivation. And as I said, we've been jumping around just because we're waiting on stuff, but we don't want to waste time and not do something. So we kind of been jumping around, making it happen. But we'll get it done. So rest of this video is we're gonna literally try to put on the rear fenders. We're gonna bolt on the doors. We're gonna do some trimming. I got the pieces for the bumper here. So let's get into that and see if we get that done here the rest of the weekend. So we got the flares on, we got the rear fenders on, we got the doors back on, the front fenders already on. The car's starting to take its form, you know. The wide body look is definitely better than the ones I had on the other car. This is more aggressive, the car's wider. I like it, I can't wait to see it in all red. But we have some big news in this video we need to drop. We got some new wheels. Mategi sent us some new wheels for the ProSpec car, which is great because the other wheels, I mean, they were nice and all, but I wanted to go with a different style kinda and to suit this body kit. So check out these new wheels. Alright, so obviously we're going to ProSpec, so we gotta run GT radio. We wrap these new Motegi 159Rs, 18x9, 18x10.5. We probably run the 9.5 all around. It's also powder coated in like a pearl white, and the red center cap is just gonna match the car. So thank you, Motegi, for sending us these sick wheels, and happy to run it for another season. That's just a tease of how the car's gonna look with the wheels. I hope you guys like it. I hope you like how the builds come along. Like I said, it's crunch time. We got like 3 weeks before testing, I think 2.5. So we do gotta get the car all wired up and painted and wrapped and test and everything else, whatever. But coming up soon, we have some real big news about someone we're partnering up with. We'll let you guys know closer to the end of the build, and when we'll probably reveal it, probably the week of FD, we'll reveal who it is. So keep on watching, like, share, subscribe, and we'll guys see you in the next one. I'm trying to be energetic because I'm tired, because like we've been running just hours and hours and hours and no sleep. So normal stuff. I feel like I'm getting old. I'll see you guys next one. Later.